Let's talk about the concept of when things happen in the class and the difference between synchronous and asynchronous. Okay, it's the concept of time. First of all, you want to know what's happening on any given day in the class, and to do that, you go to the class calendar. When you click on the class calendar, a new tab shows up. And this is a Google Sites page that I created. So for example, on Monday, June 29th, I'm covering the course outline review. I'm doing Entrepreneurship 1. I'm going to explain how labs work, lectures work, and quizzes work. That takes care of one thing. So if you want to know what's going on any given day, simply go to the calendar. It'll map out every topic that's being covered all the way from beginning to last session of the class. Next, there are going to be parts of the class where we have to be together, whether we want to or not. We can be in different places, but we all have to be together. And to do that, we use a particular application like Zoom called Collaborate Ultra. When you click on Collaborate Ultra, that's this link right here, you are led to the Sessions menu. You pick on the Sessions menu of the topic that we're working on that particular day. Might say in progress, and you click on it, and you join the session. Now, there are some of you that have computers that are older, or you might have internet connections that aren't exactly the most reliable internet connections. Because of that, your sound is not always available. You can't hear what I'm saying, or other people may not be able to hear you if you're speaking. So in that case, in addition to joining the session, you're going to dial in by picking up any cell phone with a speakerphone on it. And the cell phones today enable you to dial anywhere in the United States toll free. And you dial a telephone number, for example, in this case, that's the telephone number with the area code. And a recording will come on. It'll ask you to put in a PIN or a meeting ID. You're going to type in that PIN or that meeting ID followed by the pound sign. And then you're going to be able to hear everything that's going on. And if you unmute yourself, and they'll give you directions how to do that, you can basically participate in the class. So that's something called synchronous learning. All right. Basically speaking, you join the session. You could choose whether to dial in or not. So if you're having trouble listening to me, and you can't hear other people, then you're going to have to dial in. Okay. Now, right now it's saying, welcome, you're the only one in the room, and so on. I'm the only one in this room right now. They call them rooms. Let me get you acquainted with this in another presentation. The other way sometimes that we will meet at the same time or synchronously is with Zoom. And if that's the case, I'll send you an email with the Zoom information. The only thing that you need to know is that in terms of when we have to be together, for example, in this class during the summer of 2020, this class has synchronous lecture sessions from 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. on Mondays through Thursday evenings. So that's the time that we all have to be together on either Collaborate Blackboard or uh, the Zoom meeting. Okay. The other times, the lab sessions are asynchronous. And for example, in this class, they run from 7:46 to 9:50. That means we don't all have to work together at the same time. We can work independently. I tell you what to do, and you do it.